Honestly, I didn't think I'd leave so early. But this morning, there's just something really special about it.
You see, when you get to Katakalouse, you'll experience Casamance differently. It's a different pace. That's Jean-Louis, he's from Djissor. He's the one who's going to take us to the islands today.
You've arrived. Make yourselves comfortable, we'll take it slow.
Look, do you see the oysters growing directly on the mangroves?
Incredible, oysters on trees? Every place has its surprises.
No, not on trees, but growing on the roots of mangroves. And they have a very distinct and unique flavor, you'll see.
Beautiful here. It looks like a village set between the water and the sky. And this restaurant, it feels like it's waiting for us.
I told you. The oysters from Djissor, they're something else. Come on, have another one. You'll get used to it.
This journey feels like living inside a painting. I can't believe this is real. It's so lively here. You can feel the energy of the place. Casamance is truly beautiful.
Here, this is the heart of the village. During the day, a lot of people pass through this dock. You see, it's really lively.
It's one of my favorite places to cool off and eat very well, like a true Casamance local.
I could stay here for hours, just watching. This light, this calm, everything is perfect.
Night is falling, but we can go sleep in Casamance. but I need to call Poppies to make a reservation.
Casamance, it is another island, so why not go? Today, I am free to do the island tour.
With this wind and the darkness, it's hard to use my phone. It's too risky.
You know, you can use it completely hands-free, just with your voice.
How's that? Without light and without touching the phone? You're joking.
That is the situation you are currently facing right now. Aren't you the one involved? That sounds about right. Wouldn't you agree? And it's actually you yourself who will be doing this. You are going to see exactly how the entire process works from start to finish. By observing every single detail with your own eyes, you will gain a complete understanding of the situation. That way, everything will become perfectly clear, and you won't have any need to come back and ask me any more questions about it later on.
Call Pepis.
Amadu, hey my brother, how are you? It's been a long time. Where are you?
I'm doing well. Listen, I'm with a friend. We'd like to go to Casamance.
Excellent. If you want, you can even spend the night. There are still rooms available at the camp.
Did you hear? We can even stay there until the day we want to come back.
So Casamance is waiting for us. We continue our adventure guided by the islands.